Giants taking on the Diamondbacks. No score in the third. Gregor Blanco gets a hold of this pitch from Chase Anderson and takes it way back to center. Blanco, though, doesn't realize it's a home run. The ball clearly goes over the yellow line. The umpires rule home run, his fifth of the season. That makes it 1-0. Next batter up, Tim Hudson. Yes, that Tim Hudson, the pitcher, helping his own cause. He makes it back-to-back jacks. His first home run of the season, fourth of his career, 2-0 San Francisco. Now 4-0 later in the inning, Brandon Belt with the RBI double off Silvino Bracho. Matt Duffy scores to make it 5-0. Now 5-1, Tim Hudson looking good, making his first start since July 26th. He goes 6 innings, allowing just 1 run. The Giants take it by a final of 6-2. Hudson also finishes with 2 hits, including the home run. Joe Panik also goes deep in the win and finishes with 2 hits. Giants shortstop Brandon Crawford had to leave the game with tightness in his left side and calf. The series concludes on Wednesday. Chris Heston opposed by Zach Godley.